Get a wet water. Yes. We don't show. Papa, you got you know it, man. Eddie, your booby. All right. Yeah, man. Don't shoot. Please share the video. Watch our idea. Good. No munya no. Wasa video na ko ri mata na kada watch up small. So you yeah you know it. Share the video. Ma no yo lita. Yeah, you know, when I call it, we come. When I call it, we come here. We want to go. Let's share if you don't know what spiritual. Let's go to spiritual. Oh boy. But that way we know who be. That way we know who be. But that way we know who be. A quick one, man. Not to play this. No day. Me I'm making out here. No day. My mom making out here. All right, now go ahead the music. Let's go straight to the reason why we are here today. I greet you all with better stuff. Please share this video. Let's go straight to the reason why we are here tonight. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to waste most of the time here. Just sit down here and focus and let us pick some point from point to point to point to point to point. Because I always say in every nonsense there's always a stress. So sit down and you take the sense with every nonsense we will come up with this moment today. Obi understand me now? Yeah. Alright. Let me share my own personal video. The reason why we are here tonight. By myself, to myself, and for myself. Alright. So, I greet all of you now with better style. Who are also people who I mostly talk to now. You know, give or Bo, we define DNA test. Monica, the adulterous woman, the secretary of adulterous. And those three people want to talk to this day. And these three set of people, last month, something happened for this reason. We connect these three set of people. Now, it's so shocking and so surprising to see Obo Adeboye of all people, we see a native daughter, we don't know himself. A frustrated native daughters to claim we no one fight for himself. He won't fight for human rights. He's a human rights activist. Obo will never fight for your family. We not fight for himself. He won't fight for people outside. Obo will not see himself. Problem with their body. He won't see problem for people outside. This was the same Obo who came out categorically, took an egg. He carried egg, come out. He used and they pray for a no gewi recharge. No use at the ayago. He used and pray for him. He pray, go use he could kill the egg. He don't get share the video. I always say the time, it depends on whoever you follow. Depends where you follow. If you follow the wrong people, you follow the wrong track. I saw a video today whereby Mr. Bobby from TikTok came out the second time crying for a DNA test from Osauresi. Say na get Nora. You know, you sit down. Me never born picky for abroad. We other man they drag. The way they drag your own. You sit down, cover your shame for some hassle. Picky when you born, remember the drag. 4 years ago, he came out and dragged the same girl with you. Now he's coming out again now the second time. See they drag the same daughter with you. Nora. The 2 years ago, 2 years ago, he dragged Nora with you. Now he's still coming out again now to drag Nora. That's small, not the Russia. After our brother pray for you, that's he come out now. They drag Nora. They request for DNA test. Or but we pray for you. We're saying go net to go bring you to come. Come to swear for Monica. Now, or but now pursue wife for us. Or but the request for DNA test from the day hand. And the day we carry come for Nigeria, we carry the come. May they come born for the born citizen. They don't define who really born picky. Or but say it is not the same monopost again. How it born twins on. He want know fuck it. We give it twins. Wahala for Holland. Now, Atuari Novia Dokbolo, the secretary of adulterous woman, the useless Benin woman in UK, we not the UK. No, the Dido better. Definitely, you must come out categorically to support Sarah, Syria, because that's your duty. Sylvia, they use Dido. You, they use Dido. You think so? So Dido better must definitely support Dido better. You understand me now? La real Monica no ma bo fiakulele no. Na wa be you wa Monica no. No so we le wa. Atu ari no ye dokpolo. O da no zuwa e. Sylvia la via wi mekia. Unu ya pin o ira ari de so yo ira sin na adrile. Monica no le wa. Epa mi go bi osula. Even destroy your relation. Before me go scream. Thank God you who you. Epa you know take no be here. Epa me go back what okay. I can go o si wo ko le we kan. Amana here na here. Monica, unu ya make pemiria. Il mérite ali. Ina ya honoré France, honoré Spain. Unu ya make here. Ina wata. Monica, where you had to down again. When he be again, but no way a matter when you are. Egg body the way you can live with the Agua. That was already a dead man living. So when I had day, Monica, where we are day, do down with you. I am the Solomon of your time. You understand? I worry, or can I go? Adi, come and test it. Equator Benny, Yago see a curry. Oh, yes, a driller, the idea of officials your way. Have I done it? Look, you were calling ya. Yes, you see the Yatori. You understand now? Ale, there was soon we no man gal we no level Kodiba when I go live. Ya, I think you host see Yatori. Now, what bear you are, what bear fancy, what bear a Suzuki wa. I pass when you wanted the bottle. Neither one well or a woman like wearing. Yes. Ni me mwa wife fancy with ro in na ogiyan mama ni ho wa ni wa ko bole le wani ni deg ye kene gbo gbe ni wa ko bole le wani eri ya ho wa ni bi o wa ya zu wa iba ko fia ku le we Monica we lo fia ku le raba no ba lo wa zu wa ko yo wa ho wa ni bi o first of all ewu la re go me mo we when we Facebook now, one go now, you one way, and when I very many you understand? Many you're very you right now. If you don't know, you should know. You understand? Don't want to know when I kick your Facebook. I guys, the year, how you do it. It may be one of them, may so one to while with her, yeah, while with her. It may you while with her. It may you while with her. La reine wa Monica. Papa muna be mi wa. Ni kwena muwe. Okbia uri owo bia first time. O soki we. E ka ma ti e ka o ma ti e ka satisfy we. Una gba. Una we gbe ade. Ori yerere una lodge ye hotel. Be begamo. The same okbia ne ka enwina. Oda gbe asoki we. Una gbe ade for the third time again. Ona do siesin we abi. Why Monica ho ala bo fiakulelua e meto meme gogo e me gboruwe igu mo ni point ye ba ni mele de tu wagi point ni ba ni ye fridge wa ya fe do ri ku aro pa le ba ni wa ya gai aro pa le ba ni wa ya gai I'll block you now. Why me akwigo? Oh me why go akwigo? You are a mad man. One person cook food well of na dey eat. Esi gane gwa le bai. O gwa le bai. O gwa hokia. Ekwe mu wa. Esi ga yiri agun awunu. Uye ya agun awunu. You come for a mission. You come for a mission. We're not a mission. Sylvia, visual ya visual la you are visual the mission we ya the women. Who not a mission for your mind? You come for a mission. E Monica no ho wa body lewe. Wa go ya make na review. O ya collect everywhere. O wa salwa. Ba bok no go le bingo lewe. E ma come for a mission, na missionary. Confirmation a so vie kia. Confirmation. Wa sandu abagbon. Wa bon mu wa mu na be mi wa o. O wa wi confirmation. Ma we ma da so. E ba da so. E ma ni ko bolo lo mi I deal with ni ne. Ke do face we. Fully. I confess full. O ma na gbodio. O ma na gbodio do your boy afefe. Ijo ya sun we de wo. But ojo ya no go mo na pe. Wa bo ya la ju egbe. Wa bo ya la ma degbe. Imade ya sun. Imade go ye smarty. O wa sun wa gbe wa gbon. Ere cha no ye smart no go your CV. 43 years old woman. 43 years in the day. Wa gbe o. De fe gwa we kia. Ana si we no wo young guy 33 years. Ana se we ahe. Una haru wo wa, una we baby no si wo wa. Ana ya pay breakfast ye de. A grandmother who. Grandmother we get level. Grandmother we the twerk. We no wo young girl total nyakia ogwa we kia. I fuck you, I will that fuck you, I will fuck you, I will fuck you. Eh ya la zika yo he at the end of the day where the fear kun sister. Where fear kun awa okwe ai loye okwo total nyakia onwu egbe nwu ori owe kokoligi gbegbe no gbegbe asoko ave so boyo gare so boyo wa oho Monica ka no gino wa ni wa ya si ai no ma ni wa ya si ai uzuwa gogoyo Monica social media ni mamu waje na was the worstest person social media na we demi ni mayo disaga ni mayo nugo mayo Monica disaga ni mayo nugo mayo Monica in the water iye start go and bring DNA test go mo DNA test let me immediate no soon we na wa o ise gbe odo acclaim victim no wa cover go na oro no call Roy Monica again when na sagai ma you can we na maka criticize UK you can we na ganya mami breakfast mami no na breakfast no na egbe la yin go maka you ya UK wa go maka you ya passport wa ya no yi go no yi fi go na ana ge mi go ise gbo na do ki diamond o ga re gbon abi o ga vida atu wa no ye do polo we ni this virgin we do agbon media we ni agbe ki ayo wi osilu Brailo bogian we ni agbe ki ayo wi osilu we do agbon media bo vi owo ya gbagbara gbare di pa so mo ya gbagbo be yo life go no we life does not deserve to create the social media. We had to agwa be you agwa be followers we no ho a GPC came agwalo ale came agwalo squad ni ho ni mani we asin ai ayi we mu agbon ya obu e Monica ikwo diga what we na wo mu agbon ya wo ma go no go ni ari ke aba nu sungu nu zaga agbon ba fie kule de we okono wi ero godo no ni lo be kini ko na ti gbe to wa ho okono wi ero godo ni ko na ti saga e wa gele gbe agbewu me gbado to suma sisi me ya lo de kokono ro godo wa ka bo fi bodo ori ba ko wa go da mo you give go ahead now wa go da okono ila ja ino ka ni ero godo ani fa mi to na ya ma ona ajo fa mi to on do gbe won mo to go fa mi to ko na ti gbe to wa zuwa me wa give that order now okunoro wodo no winye ro wod o wozuo ye na bu okpiare ya yo wai do gbe wan month okpiare akwo kekia community yo boro ko ni won to wazuwa won wa like to present wa ho babo fekole luwa mo give go ahead okuno winye ro wozuo no do we ku menwe the master saga woni yin get wa ho wa dirty Mota ora si ko ni ayo bo ya fekule luwa wa sun we ne ruwa are we stupid sort of people also when you power social media that's the reason why e wa gun iye wa because wa ho e wa ta are me wa tita e wa ta are me wa sa na nuta agbunu igbo wa no because of hatred. Yes, I don't want you people to like me. Because maybe couldn't want to like me. Also was soon. In Kinemata Jimmy, Wallon Laden water. Yeah, I tell you why I believe a bloody civilian. How can you imagine what it basset? What I call baby life video? Why you neglect that? Why the body were a bastard? You were a bastard. Then I feel like a bastard, Monica. Now what people are visual at home? And we don't know what soon. O jebile, o sunde, echo better. Dido better. Momo Ginonyamo. Monica Momo Ginonyamo. Return J boy to the right owner. Return Momo Ginonyamo. Why am I going to see you? Return Momo Ginonyamo. No one of your work. Why your colleague? Why the motor cover up? What's the motor connect iron? What's the connect cover up? What's the connect iron? Ya cover up. Imote ne masok, imote ha masok ba. Connect iron to look here. What's the tokubo ya cover up with to ureni to achieve? Oh, tell the way, go buy it. What the motor? Motor you can adele. Tell no one work better. Or call that on work with teke. Momo Ginonyamo, ya what DNA test. Umewe wa salwa bagmu. Wa bo mangole bingoli wa vagwa. Kuwa ki yo wa bole lewe hian go ya salwa. Wa gwo wo for national history. Wa salwa magbon wa. Wala believe you me sendwa. Mo baba with a smile. If you come 1,000-fold, you will scatter 1,000-fold. Most of that no low. Ya get for the mulagan. Na give me no low. Oh yeah, what that take about the UK. Oh yeah, I'm coffee the UK. Why even for ya coffee ya mo? Why one? A jebo na go me go the DNA test get it na. O my la who do prove it go yes. Other for one yam. You don't give me o yo wa. Ugbe career. Ya kini mu jeno bi agwa eti iguan. Yagobo obola jana wunye gwaledi ne test yo omoni okugba kokowo wa okuni emu ke Nigeria mo aje obo no do bie ola nya we ye gwaledi ne test na ha wodi test ni dey sure we yes yo gele nyamo ni dey sure ni gbogbo yes o wi yen gele no ye kere ye lawa o ja e fo no ri aduru no re cretas no ri aduru Tutanya we were better. You o agripa, o ya hine mu deno ya gwa, o ya hine yeti igwa. A home matured man. Go see Obona. Obo come up with live video. Call police for a wife. So when they foreign up over your house. Maybe go do DNA test for your picking. That's a man. Okbe agwani. Let's talk about the video with style. Then you can make it with style. Utota, what from me? The leader that lead, oh, go follow. The leader that lead, they want to follow. I am the leader that lead, that pata follow. GPC, I make a golo. Oh, day she, or day war, or day wole. I buy you, I can you. Oh, my mother, you don't buy your sister. Real buy you. Zia buy you. Dido, I got dido. I got do me. I can you. I bear you. Somewhere we are gear senwe. Who don't was war. Where we go to the water. Okunoro wazuo. Unanga mlela the life the way you are aware. I don't want to cut a doctors. You are going to be their secretary. You position yourself as a secretary of a doctor's woman. What a shame. If we are telling you the rubbish like with you, who are you the banner worship? And you will come out and say, Ema Sagawe. Is this what we are saying? Is it not true? Well, you are a doctor's woman? Wa Saloa. We be can get we ya so we go o je do yare ya wa we the civil here say oh ya bayare e na baya ho e na busere me ya bika yo we e na baya ho e ni ro pati do ya ho e ona busere me ya bika yo we that you expect to marry such a woman in my house I will do see do ba bu yo wa you expect to marry such a woman in my house ya get back in your zoke boy France mu dekia Eke on the body that I can go get it. I say, go get this. It's a go get this. I'm going to make Benny and all that. No, like it. No, the saga. It's a gang agree. Saga, Bobby, back Bobby dinner. A back matter the saga. Eke ari, Otilo, he don't go. I'm going to know. But the Koya Deco, one after the other. The more you gather, the more the Koya Deco. Yaki no gina. How you see the dog getting tested? Wa salu wa gbon. Mo ni kan o agbon ya agbon go bi agbon. Where you are going is the garden, electric tourist. Nekwemu. Who is the garden? Wa salu wa. Wa bok magole bingo lelewe. Nonsense tikabwa. Wa here you are no here you are. Nonsense. Ama gbon we. Ama gbon we. Oda fo gbeke ogbe. Oje na ri aba ya okia. Aba ko no wodo. O ya we kia. Monica muhere. Muwe do down on there Solomon for time. No don't no gbe yan fi live video. Come and test it. Don't know yak pe. Muhere gun ek benwe. Ayo supposed to go gume kake wona. Abe mu ko ro heri number 6 lo afa fu woni ya mu gume no gume gu ek pe. To repair. Let me repair to. Let me change your piston. Abe piston rim si woni ya go fear with no. Uge na agbuhe. Agbuhe. Eta we agbuhe. Mu ka mu heri. Era mama ti gwo we mu regume gwo we. Asale we wona ko da ba fa wo. Mona bu ajala fa wo ina wala we gan. E ko ne bete ri ma na gboko de we ko na gbe e. O ko de ko ye bete ma na ya gbiyan ai mo ko mo ne bedi. Basketball wa san yo pe ko. Ogun gbaze. Game to for there ogun boya we gba. Lare Monica muhere. O wa ko wa gbe. O take appointment. Take appointment to come and shop this boy. Understand? But this one wa him wa pay. No ma pay na yiyo. Monica muhere go gbo he. Awa be you are. So that for matic gbo he muhere. Gume salo ni wo le gan we gbere. Oda fu ne kia egune. Ikela for veyege. Ikela for veyege. Dey we gele mu we. Me ma everywhere gba wa me mo kira ya live video. We ma dey kele mu na the live video. Any ne kele you ona ye difficult ya do. Imwe kira dan. Imwe kimel ga December. Du hundana ga yo degbe of Papillona ona the ticket ya dey on the way kia. Ekiama o. Uno ya pe o. Wana ha de no do woni ne kia. Di se no yin sivia no yin massivia no yin massivia. E sivia no massivia ona ye boya de ticket ona gbe. Ona le mo pe fun ba e handbag. Ona de ade extraordinary. Ona de extra le gbe. Ona ya gbe kia ni. Ekiama o. Aga wo ticket wo okuno kekua. Wo so wo ba. Wo akuno robodo. Ge no gala down we. E married one. Wa afia we wa salua. E bo mu wa ya goze. Era ti gu egun. Iye ti gu egun. Mother rejected, father rejected, community rejected. O monogale ne gbe wa. Wo ba no we ne gbe wa. Ozo e life video egbo ehun wa. Agbonu gbegbo because he is the breadwinner of the family. Amana ri go a family dey anya sis nya ho wa ya ho odo ni wa gbe gbe obo. I can. So fuck ya gba. So ya see via ri go dey I go give you wa. Pastor. They don't care about his living. He said, "Did so? Make just no. We went zob. Yes, your bubble. Yes, your bubble. Come on, yes, bubble. God. Do my drink. Oh, I know. Monica, I be a joke. I boasting. When we ye. Ye ki mena he we ke ya gbo usun a hi obiegbi onu mena we kan wo he e ke na ya finish we e ki mena e we ya gogo we bedi onu mena kan wo he e kan wo he mo ta be gbo we woni mu ko ye we mu ko ro ni a wo he la lo we ya gbunu yi a wo ya gbunu yi woni we bo ya kan ni pogun akara gba me ko to o ha gbun ni only one is the rotten tomatoes. Who is the rotten tomatoes? Okay, Kenny. We don't make clean. Monica muhere sala we no kile yes. We talk of ena social media. Come on, come on. You come out and give a testimony. Mota. All la the association to give a testimony where if I don't Kabuni, it don't be Bakara. We don't be Bunu, it don't be Bakara. Ade, a bed Barawabe, Pablo Begno, Niwa. Ugayi, Ubugaya, Ambusuga Security, Kawaka, Bobby. Ambusuga, Nina Few, Ambusuga, boy, Kawaki, Bobby. Ah, Salua, Ambusuga, Tiwakia. Kemena do Hijabusati do he. The home, Mukani, he can't. Tony work from the wooey. When we like way better. When we like way better now. Who will la way? We are not going away. Who are we? Because we are going the size of your man is the size of your total. Oh no, who know where? Oh, I have a way there. We were ye poor. We have a profit. It is so. On what can we ask you? We are in that person was very sensitive. It is I don't want to see a boy or car in a keep. Or pipe well. You understand? Monica totally let me educate you on how to make you come. That's that. See how Bruce knows. Tell Bruce get better on paper. My body, when we want a body, when we are here, Jesus Christ is the Lord and personal Savior. My body, why is anybody want to say, oh, Saloba, who does it? Saloba, who does it? Why is anybody want to say, my body, when I'm going, when somebody you want to that, no other way. Bruce, are you hearing me? You boy, I don't see how you go down here and listen to this because oh, boy, also now get go. That way go here. A so long as they are way. Solomon, Granny. No, we have saga, Ega way, Ega boy. If it is saga, we are here with it. If it is saga, you get it. On my name, when you cut out, if it is saga, what's on that? Finity. What is soon definity? On my name, when you cut out. Monica, my no time and no soon definity saga. Umano ta if no soon that infinity dog. Umano ta. Ah, salu abagbo. Enene aya ewe. Enene aya. Homa muri magbeko. We ba yo wo menu memo awe hia robi agwa bijua. Ima wonu egon imata loto. You can talk on this matter. Take your own out of it. Ya make it go ya collective view. Pabere. Very clear matter. Oh, clear. I come one. Every social media is for general, it's for everybody. No, you come where you're going, your head. But not to the extent of you coming out, who do I tell you, I will be joie. But what lies will be. What lies will be. Wow. We're giving on the bias. May I have them with me on the bias. Who are the ability of the women? Who are the yasi, it is yasi when. Well, stupid fool. Get out of the woman when you are supposed to rubble. Wow. When I beg for second wife. When I beg to be a second wife to me. I blame you, William. Yeah, when I will get out. Imagine the way out of the cage. When I call live with the third one or all. You call live with the third one. What do I work? He make no sort of my cousin. He make no solo bois. Il a les moments pour me dire aurait une moudia qui met. Il va pas prendre un plan ma work. On m'a posé les mains. That's what les points il va d'être que tu pas. Maybe Mary or Severi or any other girl. Il y a rien à dire. Il y a vous joguer en wa. Alors faut que bon wa. Il y a de la problème. How come les points il arrive là? Il y a que son con. Il y a rien à ma bogi mi ma bon. Et ça que nous sommes là. Il met bien à bon gay. Everybody has to learn from this. Every man of your Mokorewa, we have to learn from this as a man. Dès again, point similaire. Maintenant, vous faut. Mais à nous dire que nous vivons derrière. Donc non, tu suspectes oui non. En deux tickets pas. Il y a moins de que il y a un mois. Au Cameroun, au Jamaica. I can tell her, who know I'm on, I can hear it. If I ban my mortuary. Okay, you go. I am fear. The cemetery. I won't for. I bet, and go back. And go Yayua. And go back. 3 to 2 or Yayua. It goes a low boy. Honor the yet bay man. Honor yet bay man. Let the whole world know that Syria is an evil woman who can kill man. Or take book be hour. The same way he wanted to use for me. But thank God and thank my ancestors. No zege O wona ma se fi gbere. Bon so lo boa. Eri ya gira eni. After we je, vera ri ye wa. Ivuma. Veni gona na era ke ko ane abere rade. Ije go biawe. Ije si via go biawe. O wa go e ka yu ni. Veni si ve na wa akikona. Eri ye wa ye. Eri ye wa ye. O wa go e ka we na wa. O wa go e ka we. Ije wa go biawe na wa du me ka we. O me go da fin ewu. Ipon so lo boa. No give a bomb because so lo boa ewe. On he ka we man use a bad man ya lian. Man use a bad man ya lian. Yes, they're not the truth. They cannot come. They can never come out to speak the truth because they are evil. Ya said when you a mugu let kia lead. No vie kia. No ga vie we bedi. Ona. E had because when the house that break. When it be again. When we friend up there, we have to full. And you expect me to say we take it serious. Yeah, take it serious here. It's not a serious girl. No, let me take it serious. We take it serious. And when now you are by a we take up serious when you women who November be my way. Where it is boy. See if you where it November. You get well yak by your very 2022. Where my way November you feel swear. You don't feel swear. You don't feel swear because you know where you be who are illegal. And they are moving with you. See if you are in water. You don't want to work on the song. I go work, I go network. Moto la jam position moto. Arabo agbe kayo he. U he na gele keep calm. Na keep it up there. U he na keep it na ma over 1 year. Okbe asiba he. And they ask me on this question. Nobody wants me to talk one person not knack, will not suffer, will not be pricked for 1 year. If the man want enter the potato, he not go know. You know when the baby goes on the road here, yeah, mama. Why are you in your household with Paris? That you expect me no matter where you are. Asungu. Ero bago be wai. Ero mo reminant me. Ero mo na uwe ho kitaki. No reminant. Asungu. Uwe ma. Uwe be Greece. E disgrace na lawa. Okuru ma emie. Wa tin do zuwa. E kidi mulika na wa ho so. Mulika wa ho so we. Mulika we she is the youngest one out of all of them. Hello. Young Guinea. She's the youngest one. Yeah. When one. She's the youngest one among all the stupid ones. You are very right to what I say. Sylvia is the youngest fool among all the stupid women. When you talk about the responsible one, Sylvia no manager in live video. No marry him. I know why yet here. You understand? Real women in one man or booze and what? But no why near the calendar. Not money. The real babes in Ruwa. Nick Bokish. Ni Ruwa. Ni ma go live video. Ni one make a prove live video. Ni what our way. Or booze na I mark bona him. And I mark bona. And when they go all you Ruwa. Ni ma go ni lock up. Why go more than because I like my work and my picture? Without my work and my picture. Oh, I'm bored. You understand? Apart from work and my picture, my picture, my Becky picture. Which other one wants to with my girlfriend there? You have a lot of women, may friend a Christian food. Via la Jania. Uma Uyani boom. That's what happened in Ladia. You could have packed them out. No one fucking friend. Nonsense. Oh, when you're like him. The answer your way. Hey, when I was going down you order. Okay, let me help people. Let me help people to fix your because you cannot just be there. Oh, who wake here, who make quiet. Your head going to ring like bear. Your face will discuss face. Some people will come up for your face because you know they come. Okay, come. Let me make you come. You guys come. Let me make you come. What are we like? Wasungu. Monica, where me want me know what we hear go. Where me want me know because you here. Oh, here I come get you. We have here. Why me ask some we have here? Na itaunu. Wow. The evidence is there. Go and ask. Whether you mbuto. Ude de gabi na mbuto. We go bet in the mbuto. Ude masoda de lebuto gbegbe. Abumade ya pa one load the mbuto. No is pay. Apa one load. One in load. Agbegi you want vision. Imuni talk buto. Obia you are a ready. You be here na hin go to. Ena ye lo na o we lo hu lo na o san ya hu ekpu he o de lo hiwa bodale ogu wo joki no na we ai we dagi ni we I ti we dagi ni we ai we dagi ni o dagi na o ya le ya ba hiwa ma hiwa go agwanwu no ha wa saluwa e ma gbon wa hin awo ni ko ba kegbo Frakamozo, when I was a meti, ashi wele, poto, because when they were taken we are the movie. If you were really responsible, when you are responsible, fuck your man, you watch a video when they say, ashi poto, but una you do ashi poto, una zinye, poto is zinye, una do poto, no, I don't know the way kiani. Una the way in the kiani. Who open all the issue do again the responsible we responsible. Una do put the way can first man. Una wasu e can ya you bodo no rag na o hin atogbo wasu. Oh where were you? My in-law, the social media boss. Yeah, why you moon way? Or you may want more anyway. Social media America go looking. Abi kwe so keke chale we bona. Eh God. So we meroti o. E boni kama da kan yogbo kan na yagbe wa. Social media post obi o wi yan me. Fun mo wi yan to bodo lori kia o. E ki o wi yan lori yi. Siagom, miagom, iyowen. Isalowa. Oh God. You can imagine the stupidity of some of our women. You imagine the disgrace, the shame and disgrace where they wear. And these are the people that will say, oh, you can my sikamego, this one, my sikamego, what? Is it a mask? I will bet you know, Sister, okay, do see come sister, do see come on, sister, yawa, sikayo, wonderful. For see, now you come. A can wow for free. A can wake up on your top. A cap on your top. When you wake up for free, uma pay yo. Una watch him me outside. Cap on to no well I battle. One is wrong, no enjoy work gently. Well I go. But mother any can yari. 1 year and watch me. 1 year. Oh, Yosula, you got few boy you. Oh, baby, baby don't have boy. A cap when I got to go, a cap when I got to go, I have to go away. Why you know carry? A carry not weapon me. Penny Yosula, a cannot boy, a cannot boy, a cannot boy, a cannot boy. Why you carry? A cabin on Yari, or at to boy, or at to go, a cannot boy. A cannot whipping me. A pink cap or out to boy, we ought to go out. Oh, he a pink up number I didn't was I. Penny. When no one you hear when you fear of work. When you fear that I go to the liars. Good one, go in live video. You not see that you not see much to. I not see your toto. You be what you make you come? What you make you the fear? What you make the scream? Okay, I just show you Bola. Penny. She Bola. I just show you Bola the next thing. I said, oh, baby. Umanu Pemi. You are the cable or so scream. Call to you. Zerota. Woman, you me. But who did carry? We want the cabin. No, no, scream. I just imagine. They could not see you go away. They could not get disgracing it, boy. They not see the one I'm going to wear. Because you were okay. Oh, yeah, who knew sister? All our read them will scream. We get a pick up in the never be seen up and I echo managing here. And we have a Who are the picker? You know, what are the picker? Oh, wherever you are, what are the waffy again? Our faith got me who was scream. Victor, Victor, oh Victor, Victor, oh Victor, Victor, oh Victor. We are Dakara. Where am I? We are Dakara. What is Victor? Oh Vivi, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, okay, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, oh Vivi, suck my breast, oh Vivi, oh when I do, oh you want mama, and then oh Vivi, Vivi, suck my breast, oh don't kill me, oh go. Epa Eddie anyari. Oh one wigi. Nyok back and rowa. Eddie you has to shake. Epa anyari. No yusula. Odo zuo life like you. Useless to people. That's a Vivi. Oh Vivi. Or screaming. I mean screaming who? Ayari boyo. It's screaming pe me. Screaming pe me. Unya here. No, the disgrace again. You know, you scream, say, scream, say, Chaisy, don't go play. You know, I'll conquer and kill your body. Pay me a for it, yeah. Pay me a here. If it twists this, the put on. We also go, or I fear like that. I fear like that. Hey, Frankie, a bad guy, no? He's a Frankie. Hey, and now we get Tommy. But I'm married. Hey, I have more. No one here for lots of tapping eye. Adafiyama. You honest, Adafiyama, you have this great talent. I'm a useless woman. Why are you up here? Near women. If you check all these stupid women now with the Zoso, if you go check their husband with they're born for, the peradventure 65% of their husband better pass me. But where they open their like open university. Since I never, I'm going to my camera put down make the clip to be saying you shift again. Stupid set of women. And they go still come here to talk this rubbish for their mouths for me. To tell shame me, you want shame me, you want shame the shameless. I go disgrace you. I go disgrace you for take sense. Before you see any of the others with the zoo also. Yeah, zuo. That's why I look this. Now you come from media called the talk. What are the media talk? Okay, Becky, you want the Bune Becky? Hey Becky, you may Bune Becky because you don't have not with really make sense. To cause a shock Becky, you Becky's one. Becky might make a video make a one. She know Becky to be here. None of them want to stop you. Becky a cool boy you have. Becky a cool boy you have. Two when you lay, you go wrong. Becky a cool boy you two when you lay. Becky that you can never see Becky with pants unless what a period of it. You know what? Yeah, with privacy no, our house you do. And I want to know man like me not the end of them. They know me. If I did my house, I don't do anything now. For your way, gonna be a bola go inside. If you cook like this, you say you're bent down. I also say you're bent down. Or get a leak by normal level. I will salop ban normally. Now, very easy life. I look like my privacy. Very important. And I know I am what to even little don't know debut. Near Google or Google, it can be vous, vous, et vous, it became a good as a quack. Or bubuli. Only a bubuli to do. On a blue quad. Who does he? Oh, have you young man? Stupid set of women. Ya go here, we a big boy. Oh, we need the destiny of Tasseme. No, do I zoe begin? Oh, what I'm going. A depression of Bella. Oh, we had Tasseme. You get destiny of Zoa. You're destiny one of Papillona. No more, you're destiny one of Papillona destiny. Oh, yo. Now you're here. Oh, you know, we have got the carrier. I get it. I go give my daughter. I'm your body carrier. Hustle, you let it be also. So you wear also, you wear also. Yeah, your destiny yourself. Oh, you must me. Or so much a bit. You were there now. Ragbo so messy. Oh, I do my drink. I want you. As is your destiny. Mother interviewer the mountain. And I can say why I done it. Oh God, where can you? You dare not go and insult Enogigi. If not, baby, we're too much. You didn't wear like, yeah, disgrace one. Yeah, sure, I was so anyway. Oh, yeah, I want to tell you where I got big. Also, I know what I know. I know where. When I am wire, when I am wood toy, when they will dog in it, they will not, they will monkey snake in the monkey shadow. Anyway, that's all. Mama, when you shut, Mama, you fuck up. You fuck up. But no, Mama, why worry? Me, I just stand by you. Fuck Amazo. Since we're every day, I beg. Why worry? Mama, I stand by you. I wonder when I'm going to get sense. After many years in abroad, where they went. Who are money the buto? It be a gamer na gemoy. It's just the truth, it be a gamer na gemoy. Because if not, I see no reason why a grown-up woman like this comes stupid. In the presence of Idari. After many years of experience in abroad, Idari na the way to turn up and no, I'm no, at the end of the day, Idari always salike away. A very useless woman. I get the thing on who then we're bien on who was so I was going it cannot have you. Oh, I were two best friends because of a Frank. It's so good like lovely. You're not been a Frank, a kill or more. You are so shameless. Shameless of women. The two of you are still in pain. Susie was so stupid to open a gutter mouth and said she honor betrayed me. She betrayed me. Oh, the both of you planning that you are in love with me, then without telling you that was how she betrayed you. Hell, we know you are not the hey Baba, or not seeing now you mother. He was still thinking of coming for the third time. Fear some women for abroad or say ragbon or say ragbon. See what he happened to Susie now and Mugulet Ekialit. Suzuki with Mugulet and told they call me, put me for conference call, call me, add me journal. Suzuki said I left nipple. Now until they come. Now the wiki point. No go back boom. What CNN, what about CNN? Come on, we're not gossip when we're here. We're not gossip when we're there, man. If you and you, we're not gossip you by you. Why got talone when we are togi? The dinner scene not 10 minutes. Thank God, and the two of you are even dead lie. And then one talk say, now 2 breasts. If I just suck 2 breasts, you know you come. That's okay, Gama, Shaga. I will never lose you one. And I don't want. That you want Zua. You never want. Afa. Let me go for this one first. And I'll dig with the row. You go betcha. You know, you can't show betcha the row. I go dig that para. This is one alone. Now go dig that para. Go get the IT tone. Not able to solve it. You told me. I'm going to. Now you're not yet. Nothing. Yeah, my story tard. My mom. Afa. What? Everywhere go. What's the level now? Yeah, don't tell now. Yeah. It's clear. What to do? Told I wish now. Exactly. Very good. No. No well. If And now Sunday now we'll try that one. And so close where your drive go there. I greet you. Now, Mama, you be. Alright, now take care. Yeah, I put my phone on speaker for ringing too. My phone didn't ring yesterday, so I don't see my phone didn't ring. Yeah, even for me, silence. If you did work, you silence your phone. So, you imagine two useless bonfu ni pele obo. So no we in the verse. Hello? After it just speak out.
The worship now we are what you the place almost yours they shake everywhere almost a week now go already.
Yes, ma'am. That's I'm the king.
In a way, I hope because a picture of what we have fly almost last week. We know what we picture like that where maybe I can
have where. That we are one. Oh, with net, oh, with a well, oh, we are back.
Because
oh man, also just worry. You just worry. Oh, you know, Becky. Becky, yeah, we got to look at girlfriend of you.
We let the torso. Man, swear your papa is man. I'm running with one like him, no man. So, we are well, they were the swear, or sorry, so young women. I may ask for friend of them, never soon understand. So, the boy is not okay. Yeah, get talking, Monica, Adam, your man, in a pass of work one. Monica, who are trapped with everybody at Monica, who be a first when you know push you while I like with you, Yeah, we are on my saga, on my good work one. I go, yeah, we almost every from it away, almost 2 weeks nothing, Matanayari. We don't have with contracts. And what time I go with one or my good watch, mom, where will be a tail, Yakia, or where my good or be a fashion of pushing way. I got a from it, I had a woman, Monica down your maid of a past woman of one. I pretend. Oh, we don't know the Nadia. Or one more, some better picture here, I get to me. I have picture in my eye, you know, we know a picture, Monica, let's say, Victorina was a Monica who pretended they would take them by a man. Almost say, now, fast was on land. Didn't say one another video, or what a nahi, or one more picture back in the other nahi, or more picture, the talk show of Italiana. I want to sign me. Monica, I'm out where, know you where the young popular way, or we were Jebwe, near the Judo, or for so I got it, you understand? So I want to push when I because we were pushing when I want to go some guy from Victor there, Mataga or about now. The next way is the Monica. And we are just a Brosaka, just one way. Yeah, I first when I left it with. Here, why pop away your or Mama go with one, a Mataga, mighty year way, and let's say, what's here for me? Can you must get Monica Yakama away? As a married about and you saw in so no matter in what can Monica, and no pass of where boy got pretend that way I'm knocking. Oh, I will like Johnny or I will like you. Oh, pretend be offered to be mamma. I'm not here. Why tell my go Monica one of one. Gay, as a married woman, any sort of no matter what Bunji. Well, here tell me, or I say me a privateness or yeah. Hey, I'm doing your already at oh, I can't Monica, what here to it, who is Beckus. Hey, I'm doing your way, a kia, well to me. And my do what here got time, one make sense. Who more by it would be, where my Monica, my own to my by it would be. Why will I do one, let's say, if you do about Bunya Kia, who respect you, I will work this woman the woman. Who wear a private way like him. Any when or I had a tell you, I put your Kia. A money to walk on a watch, I will go on a water. You will let it to now, and let it away, no dear outside. Oh, when only by your water, or when you look at my water, why water will Monica water? Because any so if you wear stable, then Monica, eh? But never boy, because I first one will push you when I share this video. I was one who, eh? Unya, I let you be seen and left you with. Because America who were going to go once are you sorry? Justice for you, boy. So, Baba, this man. So, every was so about this man. We don't want to go ahead. What way, or maybe I, or maybe, no, maybe. We don't want to go ahead. We not get one in the and then my expect to be out in me, as my godfather about this man, trust you, man. Who why say who the near 1 million, I didn't wear in me every where one and echo for the I wouldn't see where it was. When I saw we are shocked because all my children are service no one on young way, no young way, Malibia. If a boy is starting one, no other one, or that PC, I may be enough. Me we ati debunk anything because who well we must be debunk but you know we be really nice me I say no get zuo I say no get on ma ko because you are down in me na ye one honestly because honestly no ni give we ati debunk all the time o ma move o na we pieces one like last week you do edit me be picture na nearly a body is about me. We may rusu. If not a deeper quality, but in the body way from away, we know one. Like with that, all my yashi now, some city. No, young way, mamma, all my yashi. Get getting a stop. I wouldn't more OBA. I wouldn't move. Or only make who at the time house. Oh, yes, I've been a look here. Wow, you want to say, something more so I am every. It went okay. You were one of them because what? So about this man. Oh, Mama, they wash you. I bless you. Yeah. No. I got Bosu Messi Bill. You know, Gary has one of your Bosu Messi Bill. I got Bosu Messi Bill. Oh, yeah, let's listen to the latest updates. Wow, here running here. Wow, here the best of my way to the crack. You know the best of the man. You know the man. No, the shit. No, the shit will be discussed with women. Do not discuss on your right from time. I do know you go. I do know you go. What you wear. Only body of them. You can't come away. But you give me theory, case closed. I'm very sorry. It's not me. I don't know. You don't make any no problem. I'll quit. And I will protest to you. But if this is a major time, yes, sir, I'll collect the key for that. And I'll tell the government because I don't want to see the local around my child, the body, everything. I don't want to see you around my key. I don't want to see you around my key, okay? Because you don't have any work to do, not to this. And when I go on in here, who are the atrocity and okay, commit to your own. Here we check, a baby mama will go baby mama. Who send any papa? Wow, that came in our project. I don't know what way to why the last 2-3 say I think March of February last this year. I ever do that in here. When the law will go, me I will beat you. Me get me away moving away who bought the money? How dare you? How dare you say that kind of word to me? I know what, go and make a video. Hey, sec. I make one mass enough you fool. Larry, Richard, no, you said that you done. That well, we ma, maybe me webu. Also, no one maybe mona go missing. But go make me say yo. Oh, you make me appear. You be over also, no one maybe mona go see me. If I choose to have one. So no one maybe.
Omorino, Awe Gaidian, but I like a corner with Nya. The buyer would DNA test today. Or had to come on what DNA test today. Iyali a king, you know, loud. Salo bois. Hell, hell, you what? Check. Young boy, check. Mommy, come on. Mommy, so. And not get we. So when my uncle went there, you can't tell it now before now. First of all, someone say a girlfriend the way. A girlfriend the yase no. Also mummy obi yase. Or sit down. Or sit down. Your own bestie, una me girl there go. Anyway, you see a wife we have we on. But then I out ban wife. No matter what you okay. I also think man wife go para wire ban wife woman what don't. You dey see your shame and disgrace. You dey see your shame and disgrace. Let me why you now. Orubo so no go you. On what do you nya. You go say DNA necessity. Ejeme. She is sharply one sharply. What is sharply? Oh, ya really my guy. Oh, I didn't sorry. Sharp. A girlfriend does you where yase, was snatching me. Me, a bobby drag and a bobby win. He said, lock up. Make him when we get your money over all the years of booking or years of what. And he will be bobby, you know that here what he be. What he bobby, what you know that. Why are you looking? Monaco looking. What he bobby.
And when they went and also, wow, you're running here. Wow, I hear your best of every which you cry. You have the best of the banana. You have the idea of the banana. No, the shit.
What he bobby?
Share with the disgrace of women. Do not disgrace on your right from time. I've been on you go. I've been on you go. What you open, what you wear.
How man go take that kind of pussy? That kind of pussy, man, go feel so calm. Who will get body odor with the smell? Man, go feel so that kind of pussy. Man, is so my pussy. Go say it fresh. Go fresh, fine. Talk about the scent. Don't who will get body odor. Who will man the test go bath. O dig be the man la ohi. What la dia? It lick back the. It not get trick. What of you have a boy? When the what you was and we was and we have away. Away, you know where you are. Oh, why? No, we Mugule take your lead. Mugule take your lead. Be me yet. Who me as a carway. And we bass. Who me as who when we are. Who me as we were. We may neck but I was in the fact no one will agree. Who may neck but it means your boss your way. Is your boss your way? Ya dolu henna yi. Is your boss your way? Ya dolu henna yi. Adolu he yo. Adolu he yi. Said na ta ore. A relation in husband to us single mothers. Efe prison. Me me post ni. Efe you know the kokobiri master. The husband to us single mothers. Efe marry with Ben Leona. What does he fucking? A kokobiri master did not do what you are doing now. You are taking the position of your friend. You are a bad friend. Omenwa is a very bad guy. Omenwa is a bad guy. He's taking over his friend's post. All those single mothers. Oh, my guy. Bro, I hello bros. I think I can help you to arrange this women before you come. If you come and do your post back, Edayi making Edayi. Edayi, I'm Edayi. So we're kidding. Let me help you to sanitize these pickles. Because I cannot let all these pickles be waste away like this. So I'm trying to work on the legacy you laid out before you travel. So before you come back, I have to arrange all this let me just repair this a little bit small. You see that one is in Spain now, my young son. You still see 3 years in the I have to I make her come. She have to come for me to make her come. That was the next one. I deserve kudos to that. And you see the one in France, merci beaucoup. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. I have to bien you. For she to come for me to make her come. And so many like that. I'm just trying to do the work of God. The ministry is moving to the next level, sir. Yes, I'll give you reports when I'm back. When you are back, I'll give you reports. You see, these women, they're useless. Because they're not useless. They can. It's going to be a very shameful thing for a woman to come categorically on social media to say, in fact, me, I go a house. I said, call like that. I said, come pick me. I said, a mother who has children, daughters and boys, who will not come to social media and be using the man to be judging off. How he went to a boy's house to go and knock, to go and shock Bola. What an error. What a state of endeavor. What an all-sudden arrangement. Oh God. I pity those women, Ofo. A careful name. You are fool. Ofo. A careful name. A careful. I call you wa. If you call you wa. A careful name. Oh. When I think about Toto, what I run away my what I run away my. When I think about Toto of Savior, what I run away my oh what I run away my Toto square. When I think about Toto, what I run away my I don't want to talk all this kind of thing. Oh, I'm a Christian. As a child of God, I don't want to say all this kind of thing. It's not fair. But all this Toto don't go let me rest. Give me 3 Toto there. 3 Toto. Toto. Oh God. I have to laugh. Can you imagine? What if you say a man go to talk? They go say, you will be married or like this. Now woman can go to talk. Woman. These stupid nonsense single mothers. All those shameless single mothers who don't get sense. Shameless single mother. She wele. I put up with kusu in a gay. And they try to manage to talk the sweet. I went up here. Nonsense. For any other to it's totally any hack because you don't ganya. When we are here. Oh, don't mati. The social media. Oh, where are you attacking? You love your code. Oh, what I go for? The man, oh, when I'm more, you know, Tower. You way, Manawe here, and now we're dogging, and I'm sash. No one alone here, and I want ya bear. Yeah, it can be twin. It can be twin with dig way. It did not dig me or dig bin. Oh, where you TV, to know yet when I'm not making it. Somebody was saying, let's my move, we're sucking it here. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you be a ye care we bo o dig apa one load. And one on Yama, I don't know what I am in the I was the trouser or Mutiano or Mufinu or Fear Fiona, when a total lollipop, lolly, or random. And now you're yawa. Not your yeah, baby, you're right there, baby nigga. You're giving to me, baby, you're. That's my baby girl, yeah. Yeah, that's my baby girl, yeah. That's you. You young bar, you might like bar. Oh, wonderful. Oh, God. I don't finish. No, God, that. Sister, not that. Oh, sister, give me you. Oh, don't kill me, yeah. Oh, don't kill me, yeah. Baby girl, don't kill me, yeah, nigga. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Oh, yeah, nigga. You're right there, nigga. Oh my God. Hello, boy. Dazi. The day you had you to talk. Ekbu what they can't talk. Ekbu na inage. Hey, Zosaudi. Ogafia. Jesus. And they come when they just squad. Make you know. Ekbu na waro to better. We bokoto. And we not go play I didn't enjoy with style. Just did that. Cause that you are Sally. I just the play. Cannot go pull handle. Everywhere go away now. You know how to where go away. You know how to knock. Bro. In a salo or one have here. Let's go now. I ain't telling me the whole I had my name exist. No. Bro, when you present a big fish, you forget, get them crack on out. You don't have to fuck. But me let love the make you. I yet to be. Or you will get make you. Echo in a water better. On what balance. Or me, I could be illegal. Or me here. Or me, and I have me, son. Or if you're in me, if you're going to do it, without you cock back. In a sorrow, yet Papa. Hey, the one I told me, Papa. Oh, now big one. Or me, you carry ya. Do money. Or me, let it carry it. Mogu let it carry it. Hey, Papa. Hey, who's over me, okay? Il est mien. Dans le sens qu'il est mien. Au début. Or, il fait, Papa. Or, le monde, we are bouillir. Et oui, il est bon, so il est bim. Black, il est bim. Il y a vous venez tout, vous venez pour. Il y a une barrière, il ça le bois. Il est cool, il a carrément. Bon, monsieur. Ah, c'est tout. Bon, monsieur. Mon monsieur. Ne, mon monsieur. Il a qu'un wambi, oui. Les gars, il n'a qu'un wambi, oui. Ah, wambi, oui. Na, ya, meilleur. Il s'en va. You guys over here. I'm not supposed to talk. But this one, I want to disgrace her. Because you know too much. I'm going to get back there. I'm going to get back there. I'm going to disgrace her. Now, how I came in here, I can't move back. Can you walk move back? I cannot hear me. I cannot rise. That is for the rice. I go like the rice. The rice like for the rice. Il will go. Hey, that I'm on lie. He walk up. Or be too much, you know, tall. Or be too much, I'm begging no here. Reserve. Or be too much, I'm begging no reserve. Now you're going. He's a motor moving up before you go now. That if you're going to him, Papa, on a little me. Frankly, doing only myself, they ask myself a question. On top of the top, where the fuck? Just like I say, only me they ask myself question. On top of the because will be the knack. I put my tongue over like this. If you the day why you will be one money sample, or if you want to be well talk, now my curry bed, my son is for me. I keep it. I don't see this girl like this thing. The man way a rough in what being in one like a rough riding. The way I feel rough this woman. I said, "Bonus, I see your poo. Oh, my shock eh." No, that can't see now. No direction. I just mistakenly when you have seen the way I buy this one. Pew! What are we talking about? Ah, what was you enjoy me? Enjoy it. Now, be saying, be seeing, Mommy, let love it. I don't see the enemy this woman. He want the whole flow. Remember, no, he practically they come here. Oh, no way, but he was so. I mean, yeah, even when you can't something you were. Hope you will be no one you did. You want to go and dedicate if you only did. Okay. I did regard it about. I will yam you. I will be die. It's supposed to be thankful. In Yahweh, oh, piano may be on me, Hannah, or wherever you are. Tell you what to told me in my house. You go to work, confess me, meanwhile. No, you are going to a bonuke week here. The Maya or ya twig, Maya or ya squat. My babby quad my squats in 1 day no be up. You are the year when they say they square the squat. This is the first time when they have to use this one. And I may use on and make you squat. If you know that record I break for your life, you can never forget me again. A muscle. Or you have squats. That one alone. It's enough for me to be proud of myself, yes. I'm a senior man for this game. At least for this Euro, I'm a senior man, not go play. That you boy. Yo, Mugu let take big or big. on ya baki biaka na wo o kan gbegbo wo on ya baki biaka na wo ya le liwa ya gola 90 years old men o mu o mi na ya baki biaka na why we keep biaka lo agwan ni how life it you can feel we know lock up you go just lock up. Don't do a time of live video. When I believe we know where I take bug me, when I believe him, we hear me more. Okay, I'm married, don't play. Now let's make it work cool. Okay, why was relax? And you go call it with man. I mean, about biju awabu. Don't come at them. Oh, you're giving away 400 women, man. Shout. Those men don't make noise. The first part, they be married women, they don't make noise. They lock up. Now we be single, now they cry. You go manager, but yeah, okay, you never be when you are manager, you go via you are. But yeah, think they can all size you. They can all size you. They am where you are, and with the move by your KV, walk by your KV. Without a ready, especially you don't you can be alone. You know what or dig one of a papillon. You don't give me. You not shock you. Say I knock that woman. I be you. Say you don't want good grunt. Bad guy. Almost or back until on almost back until on the level. Hey, we. See, as I tell you, all the women wear those shop. No one starts to reach level. Apart from Becky and the rest people. Even those Christian Mugu ones, all of them, they still better pass servicing 100%. And let Becky that way the lowest one with your Luca and Sylvia. No, you don't Wawa. Understand? Yes, no. I watch them on Wawa. You know, they take it to me go back. Now Gog. Let's see, Gog. Let's see if I can switch out. You see, that's what they say, Sylvia. Now, when we are relocated at Italy, Sylvia wanted to relocate just what Becky did. Next year, we want to before. On correct side pick school. Because you see, I had 2 bedroom. You have to see all those Kevin, Mumodi, OSC. Now, I am. Sylvia, the way to tell you, do man want relocated at Italy? No, to take me. Do I go here? Or no, we with plan. No, we have permission. We have to work with your the woman who can locate you at Italo. Quite a little wedding winner. Now, the wedding when I'm arriving to live with a husband and wife. What are your plan? Nonsense. Abola, why? Come on, so but it is just very sorry. Very sorry. You go. Don't go. Can I swallow? Oh no, you get one. What is it? Let me see this video. You get one. I want to beg. I want you to go beg now. Towards the end of the Monica video, see some people say give woman we want give me money. Say woman give me money. Say give woman they spend money for me. Say the woman they spend money for me. Where? Say the woman say you come see for December. I beg that woman. I beg. If not true to, that's true. Say the woman really did that. They spend money for me. I beg. This as I don't deny. I need money bad. This will not be saga. This is not truth reality. I need money past federal government. Okokoni waziri no menwa wala wo. Okoko no ni egi la waziri mi goni wo mi goni. Wega tanya zigo mi ani imi go bo. Diti ga so ya zeme mai la ho una ga ko ni ngu like me. Ko nu zigo me. Call me no ba me ro. Inbox mi gbegbo inbox. You understand? So that in a case saga one wazigo me. And the thing are ni go. Understand? Any other rotten and go ma you like be. Una worship like one share video now. You should be that woman. When Monica say they spend money for big, you know so that you the Monica they talk I beg. I just go beg you. See you are the girl how go. He did the money. Wala. Because it may you make back my dear buna. Na me you buy a zigo niku. We could you could move benefit na webu. You could not make the water we can back money mo we zigo nu wa. Now, in your own young pardon only was zigo nu me. What I we o my zigo me. La sister la o tu na ya reba. You need to go in now. You need the zeme. You understand? And do whatever you are zeme, what see, but what we are doing in the go. Why this is a new one zero spiritual zen. Why you are ziga song? Why has he get data in that day? He can go you go on. The only person you want already go me, you go already go me. You get why yes, you want to go need confirm. Or appear you are. Not America, don't you just see? There is never a time here, so anyway, so you understand? So now, the same that woman, you did now. See the other woman, they couldn't use this money for Frank. I beg. They couldn't beg. Larry, a Dutch woman, secretary for Dutch woman, Monica, a woman, the person, try to go, do my artist when they live video. In boss, I go. Ni go along, look at it. Tell Facebook, mama. Do go to what any come and allow. Sister, Yonya, where was you me? La, this is baby no, you got zeno. Or you get net spending. La, the daytime and daytime. I can't even have you go, you may allow. You need it. Very, very important. I need that. I need that. Not be joke. This will not be joke. This will not be saga. This will not be saga. I need money now. Badly, like federal government. I beg. Any woman where they will say you like me and you want to spend money for me, want to give me money, inbox me. Not be when they narrate they go for year. I don't want to use year. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear audio money. I want to see physical cash. Don't be only one when they spend money for woman. They spend money for woman. Me woman still spend money on me. Don't be doing down. What is it going to be? I'm not say. Yeah, I will keep free. How far? All those guys will do shit too. Genocide. How do they do one? How do they do one? Where woman they spend money for? Where pay the ring and the good way? How do they actually rap those women? I feel like because me now they ask. I'm going to ask my money now. All of them they watch me now. If you don't see my girlfriend, send me money. If I can avoid job, if Facebook me allow, don't give me. Don't even hear no wowa. Ahead of water wowa. We have get when working sending a go. Send money. If you don't send money, not call me again. Have you mommy work with you? There was a man working with you. Maybe they are my man. I think I see asshole. No, me I can't ask myself. No mind them. For real, not be joke. If you don't see this, you really do some money because in every room, element of truth today side. See woman the same money. I beg if you be that woman. If you be that woman, I beg I need the money. Not be joke. Because anyway, you need to be one right now. I need money like federal government. Every next again when I need money like say people not do. No responsibility we are carry for this December. So I need money. Just talk and ask. So guy, should be that sister with it, you like me and you want the same money, maybe not spiritual money the same. Now me talk and ask, call me. No fear saga. They are saga not to do anything. You know the reason why they are saga not to do anything, all of them they talk lie. Oh, yeah, saga. Understand? Oh, yeah, saga. Oh, yeah, my married there. Or my married life forget it. I will marry the man of the frankly away. Oh, yeah, I was going to say, yeah, see about me now. He is a yeah, body. Can't call book back. Because you know why? They lie. Yeah, can be. La wo do not ever now no you go me. Don't hesitate to call my number. You want dash you money? You like me, you like what I'm doing, you like my style, you like my swag. You want give me money? Call me for phone. My phone number D. You see my Facebook, so write me for my inbox. I'll reply your message. Dash me money. You understand? Yes, now. Must still be saying now we must fuck. We must not fuck. Dash me money. All the only the fucks is the people. No. Now fear of charm. I'm trying to help them. And they don't have respect. They will still be disrespecting me. They don't have a husband. They are single. They have not come so many years. They will still come. They want to come. Okay, you come. Let me make you come. I'm helping all these women. They will still be disrespecting me, be insulting me. Plus my husband. I'm using for them. Many of them have not come. They are not come. I beg them come. They don't have respect. Then when I say I'm not doing that, they'll be crying. I said I'm not doing anymore. They are crying. They'll come to social media, be insulting me. They'll come to social media, be insulting me. Is it bad that I do for them? That I make them come? How can you be a woman? You are in Europe for the past 3 years. You don't have man. You have no access. Now you see a man like me that make you to come. So please be happy. For free of charge, you don't pay. You know, you go to Nigeria, you will see many guys who are hustling, doing the show. They're just like women, they hustle. They pay them. And I'm sleeping with you with men for free of charge. And you don't have the respect. You don't value it. You don't value it. That's a disrespect to my personality. When I'm angry now, I say, I'm not going to do for free of charge again. Anybody that's coming, you have to pay money. If you don't pay money, don't embarrass me. Can you imagine? You think it's easy to sleep with a woman? Especially the fat one. Most of the women, they are fat. They have baby tummy. You think it's easy? You know what it takes me to position myself to sleep with this woman, to make sure they come? They don't know the value. They don't know what it takes me to be. You know what it takes for me to give you doggy to a fat woman, a very extra large woman. I give them doggy and I make sure they squirt. They come. They can. This woman does not have respect. They will still come to social media and be insulting me after all I have done for them. Their baby papa abandoned them for years without no care. I will still give them the money to go and take care of themselves and their children. They will still be insulting me. And I just came to Europe yesterday. They have been in Europe for decades of years. They don't have gold, they don't have come. All men are running away from them. But I thought, okay, let me do this here for you. Because of God. God, I don't have to be stingy with my bola. I'm not stingy with my bola. I said, okay, let me just, you people should be patient. I will give it to you, little by little. See, they don't have respect. Kudos to those responsible ones that have respect, that always respect me. So this useless one, I'm going to change my mind now. They will not see prick again. They will not see prick again. They will suffer. If they call me, I will not answer them. I will not pick your call. They call me, they beg me, I will not answer them. They will know that I'm serious. How can you say you are a woman, you are in abroad for years, you don't used to have sex, you don't used to come, you don't used to knock. When you know the doping system needs to be activated for your brain to be activated. This woman will just sit down, they will come to Facebook, they will be insulting me because they have a platform. Then when they are in my house, they will be calling me daddy, 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 daddy. You are there, give it to me, daddy, 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 daddy. They will be shouting daddy, daddy in my room. And then when I'm sitting there, they will be shouting daddy, daddy, daddy. They will be praising me. Oh, you are wonderful. I love you, I love you, I love you. They will be shouting, I love you in my room. When they not left my house, they go to their house, they will be insulting me. And they expect me to be giving them sex every time. How can I be giving you sex every time? And you're not giving me money? Is it not when I wish to buy food to eat? Would I eat? Would I drink? You don't see, I used to dress, I dress fine. You like me when I dress fine. You like my swag. And when you see me, they will see me with you, you'll be proud. You're a dirty fine man. Like me. Now give me money, you don't want to give me money. I want to be giving you sex every day. How can I be giving you sex every day? And you're not giving me money. Is it not when I used to feed my engine? The more I drop my sperm, you know how many blood I'm dropping for you? You that were ugly when you were coming to my house, you left my house, you looking beautiful. Because my sperm work on your body. Don't look beautiful, look sexy. And you get to your home, you get to your home and you start insulting me. Without no respect. I'll be helping all these women. There are people that are bottom of them. There are people that don't even call their children. Doesn't even call them. I'm doing all these things willingly from my heart. Because I love children. Let me help the mothers. So that they can be thinking where their brain is not functioning anymore. If you check with this our single mother, their brain is not functioning. They act like animals. They act like animals because they don't used to come. When a woman used to release, all the crazy things on our brain will be released. They don't used to come. I was okay, man, give me doggy. Doggy is very good. When I give the doggy, they bring the head down. All the crazy things in your head, they fly out from your brain. You know you are screaming, and you are screaming, and you are screaming. All the madness in your head will be screaming it out. Scream it out. Scream it out. Give it to me. Yeah, baby. You're right there. You're right there. As I'm hitting it on you, this one will be free. They will not sleep well. They will snore like pig. They will be snoring wah, 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 after they have come. The woman will not see. They will not be smiling. Woman always screws her face. She will not be smiling, so smile like Mugu. She will just be smiling. She will just be smiling. The same woman will come to show me that be insulting me. And they say, okay, now, I'm telling them now, if you want to come, you need to spend money. If you don't spend money, you need to buy a gift. You cannot be looking at me. come to my house. I thought you were Chinese. Anybody that buy me clothes, when you buy me clothes, don't buy me Chinese. Buy marker that have name, good marker. I don't wear any marker. I'm too expensive to be wearing any marker. I'm too expensive. You see my clothes I'm wearing. Go and show my bossers. Let me go and show my boss of my bossers. They say Frank does not have to. Does not look. How many bossers I have here? I'm not even you. I'm not even spending anymore. Everything I'm using is marker. Everything I'm using is marker. You see this one? This one no boxers. This one no boxers. Clean. Look at it. I'm not opening it. Sealed. It is sealed. It is sealed. Look at it. I'm not opening it. Sealed. Look at this perf. You see it? Can I climb? You see it? It's marker. Did that woman will come to my house and she left my house? She said I have a boxers that have hole. And there's shit in my boxers. He told me, how can I have shit in my boxers? I was like, is this woman crazy? Say I have the shit in my boxers. You know how many months this person have been with me? When they know you want to do marriage, you blind. You didn't see when I said this boxers to a doggy. When they know you want to do marriage, go to my page and see it. Go to my page and see. When they know you want to do marriage, I said it too. I video it and show it. I post it to my page. You see my page. Can you imagine? I'll be searching you for free. You will not pay money. From now on, if you want to go to my house, you need to pay. You come to my house, you sleep in my bed. My bracket, you sleep in my bracket. Louis Vuitton. I give you good marker bracket to sleep with good duvet to sleep. You will see my prick. Better pink cap. There's nobody that person have this kind of prick. It's a pink cap. It's not easy to have a pink cap. Everybody have black. I'm using pink. Think it's easy? Women like pink. Everything that is pink is women love pink. I'm giving you big pink cap. Have you ever tasted pink cap in your life before? You know what it is? And when you're supposed to ask this, why are they crying? That's the question you're supposed to be asking them. Why are they not crying now? When they enjoy my prick, they did not cry. They were screaming. When they were enjoying this prick, they were screaming. They did not cry. Why are they not crying now? Because the prick said, I'm not going to do anymore. I'm not going to give you to you. They have lost the prick. They lost the prick. Now that they have lost the prick, now they're not crying. When they were enjoying the prick, did they call you? Did this man call you and say, oh, no gay, no gay, I'm enjoying here, I'm enjoying prick, no gay, I'm enjoying pink up, Did they call you? No. Now when pink up is finished, they said, look, I want to go and cry, no gay, I want to go and interview, no gay, they don't have sense. These women don't have sense. That's why their husband and run away from them. That's why their husband dump them. The husband will continue to dump this kind of food. Because you don't have sense. You just come to chop bola codedly. You quiet and go inside. You don't have to talk. This is a very silent thing I need to do. You know you're fat. You are very fat. There's not nobody's platform to have you as a wife. Okay, what you need to do now? You can't just be wasting away. Your total cannot be wasting away. 3 to 2 from there. You understand? So we need to see how we can help you to chop your total. Let us assist you. That you are not crying. How do you expect somebody like me now to come and marry you? And you are a very greedy woman. You're a greedy woman. You're a very self-centered woman. You want to kill me for my time. Those responsible ones inside that they didn't even talk. You think before you arrived, you know how many people that have chopped this prick? Do you know how many people have helped? Do you know how many women have helped? Put women abroad. Do you know how many women have helped? Through my talk, through my voice, through video call, through communication, video sex, everything. You know what I'm doing? You know the way I'm helping our women? No man in their life. They're so confused, they're so frustrated. Parents have frustrated them from Nigeria. They're frustrated them from 85% of our women here, their parents frustrate them. They will send them money to build house, they will not see house. They will not answer them. This is how I'm helping all these women. They will call me, be crying. They will be crying. I will be petting them. Baby, it's okay, baby, it's okay. Help them a lot. Show me breast. They give me breast. Sexy, good, fine breasts. They have beautiful breasts. Men dump them. Men are proud of their children. But they have not come. They want to come. Immediately they come, their head will be okay. They will be calm. They don't used to talk. You will just go chop small. You want to carry it to your head like gala. Come and hug my prick now. Come and hug it. You want to go and cast me now. And you have cast me now. My inbox now full. People are now inboxing me. I want to come and shop. I want to come and shop. If you know you don't have money, don't come and ask. None of you is calling me say, okay, please send me your card. Send me your bank card. Send me your bank account. None of you telling me, send me your bank card. You are telling me you want to come and chop. Chop what? Is it for free? Is it for free? Before you inbox me, you must tell me to send me, you must send me money first. If you don't send money, I will not answer your inbox. I will not send your message. It's very simple. I'm not a fool anymore. I'm wise now. I've done it free for people. People don't value it. I'm just trying to help all these women. The way they are misbehaving now, this thing is getting me crazy. You know what I'm saying? They don't know the value. For a man to come and say, okay, all this single mother does have wife, I want to be helping you. If this is one round, you come to my house, you buy your ticket, you come. I give it to you, you go. You come again, I go to you, book. They say that's just what it is. Very cool. Do a test. You have your test. You have your test result. You bring it. I cross check it. You have STD. If you know you have STD, don't come to my house. You understand? Very important. All this fat, just imagine this fat horrible. As fat as this woman. Very, very fat. See how fat as this woman. I still help her. For she to be grateful that for no her fatness, she still sees somebody like me. Somebody like me that could be able to handle a fat woman like this. As fat, this breast is very heavy. For me to handle this breast, you think it's joke? You know what I pass through? You know the energy I'm using? Don't want to take me to hold this breast. If you see the nipple is very big. For me to suck this kind of nipple, suck crates out of the nipple. Every demon in this nipple, I make sure I suck everything out. Take it easy. Both in the realm of the spirit and physically, I make sure I suck this breast. This woman shout. All depression in her body, I suck all away all the depression. She's still coming online without insulting me. Not to go to the Boyoko side. When you go to the Boyoko side, I did a lot in that Boyoko. Because the Boyoko was very big. The Boyoko was not constantly sick, Bola, that normally go there. So the Boyoko was just swelling. The Boyoko was angry. To the verse. The Boyoko was just angry. We were like bombs. We were just there. I have to start firing the Boyoko. I make sure all the anger in that Boyoko, I scatter with my bola. 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 I need my bola to finish the Boyoko. You know what I did for this woman? This ungrateful woman. You know what I did for her? You know what I did for this woman? I finished the Boyoko. It was easy. Odogu Bita was going down. Vecchio Romania was going down. Rebbe Smarty VSOP was going down. To deliver this woman Boyoko. Think it's easy. Now she's coming out to come and talk scratch about me. Think it's easy. The Boyoko was full of depression, frustration, humiliation, lies. I made sure I used my blood to finish work for her. Now today you can see her now. She's not smiling like Mugu. She's coming out to come and insult me. Yeah. Any woman that wants to come to my house, you must send me money first. If you don't send money, don't come to my house. I'm married. I have a wife. If I want to chop good Boyoko, I go to my wife. Boyoko already have depression. Now, if you want me to assist you, you pay for it. You pay for my services. I cannot be helping you, and I'm poor. Okay. The poor cannot help the poor. It's only a rich man that can help the poor. You understand? Before you come to my house, send me money. It's very important. I'm saying it now, live video, so that you will know. Don't inbox me and tell me that you want to come. I will not say your address. Don't even bother. I will block you. You will just, if you want me to be friend with you, just say, man of God, send me your account. I'll forward my account to you.
No.
I go see.
No.
What?
No, honestly, God.
Honestly, God. I was waiting for free before. It was free before, but now it's not payment. It's not pay as you go.
Yeah, King Solomon for time.
Yes, sir.
King Solomon, oh,
yes, now. Exactly.
Yeah, King Solomon for time.
Yes.
I respect you. Don't be like King Solomon.
Exactly. That is me.
We have many you analyze the video now. Oh, all you guys, you don't win. You don't win. Oh, yeah, people know analyze the Monica no analyze the video now. Oh, no, my way, or better with a pain. Oh, yeah, analyze it. I will follow us. You know, we are in we say, forget to no rule, no, we move that way. And we are over here. So, you know, the Chinese are correct, or maybe I understand. You know, I mean, yeah, a pain. Oh, yeah, you know, oh, no, analyze the video now, Macabre, I like. You know, you get your man. Oh, you must be your now, I analyze this, you. King Solomon, I don't give my King Solomon. I respect you. Any other promise now. It's also they respect you.
Of course.
It's not easy.
I'm gonna mind you. No one is taking to call this madam. Take it easy. The whole local tree to bring this local tree down. This is easy. You know easy, boss. Tell me the work we are doing with my body. To talk big. Visit Toto, you go fear Toto. Say easy. I'm not to make the chest. Don't be out to play the chest too. I chest this my own. Mighty man on battle. Lasadaga, Lekada, Nada. It's not an easy thing. Not all Bekus man for the chest. There's some Bekus with the nickel for you run. You need to be man enough to chest this kind of Bekus. It's a mountain on fire. I say la ta ta ta. This mountain must go down. This mighty must go down. Lezada, nekadada, la tazada, inada, ilatata, ilawele. I carry my prick for command. Fire squad. What are you saying? I say today, later, if I be a man of God, nakadada, let me call all these quickos woto. I pull it down by fire, by thunder. Wonderful. This man come and insult me. If I have verse for you, you allow me to use my mantle for you. Let me pick up my mantle and use to lay us on you. Lakada. That make you for everybody rotting. No bola go enter there. No bola go enter there. Say lay dada. You know what it take? You go see to you go fear you to they laugh. To go they smile. You know they laugh. Are you coming? What are you saying? What do they tell me? See where to they laugh. Because they laugh. Real mature because they smile. I know as Congo to the smile now. And so people they smile. You know they laugh. Ha! You come for God laugh. Ha! Think it's easy. And you come up for that, you want to do interview. They got to interview you. Why can't they talk? When you don't see you carry laughing stuff with waka. Carry laughing stuff. So we don't condemn iron. And make sure I rims all your rims. All your azimazi. All your pistinaries. All your breast. You don't shift up a position. I position everything where they balance right. You go use your mouth to testify. The romance will I give you. If you ever get that kind of romance for your life. What romance man fire like you? As I do your chest, you know how I be. I be like ants for up. Be like ants. They work for your body. And they go crazy. Tell me I pee your neck, I draw your neck closer. Ah, my God go help me. Shalom ataka. Easy. The reason we have to cure you, we have to deliver you, service you, better servicing. Toto we don't wear finish. I mean, you say I reborn. All your notes don't wear. Don't want us. I reborn them again. I grease them. I grease your toto for you. So I don't know work, now you cry for bigger. So you want to come back. If I don't know work, if I don't know my work, if I don't come like they call it cry. If I don't know my work, my what I was doing, not come like they call it cry. If I don't know my work, I kick off of France. If I don't come like they call it cry. If I don't know my work, the unfortunate marriage where they go down, we go use money marry man. If I don't come like they call it cry. That one where they call whatever Olosho. If I don't come like they call it cry. No one chop, no one just chop. Small food everybody will chop small. No one put up for everybody. Quite everything. Greediness. Greediness in the world and so then they make a crap live video. If you know what, that's one person put up for house, seal make everybody come. If audition hand. Una no say make get wife. Una see the service now. Check. They say it reach everybody hand. National cake. They reach everybody hand small. Every time they touch around. Unless you collect like 2 under 1 year. You collect 2 you come 2 times. That's the way it goes. So if that 4 days is steady fucking. Steady. When I ask how much she did, so the 4 days which she spent, each time we come for 4 days they spend. The 4 days now steady. Morning, night, afternoon, is steady now, can you stop it? When I ask her, your baby papa will feel fucking like that. When you put it for, go feel knock 24 hours. Go to knock, go bath. On shower, after the jobless people, they don't get work. I'll on shower, put out body again, come and for side bed. Continue for where I stop. That's not fabric work. Life contract. They knock you. Till you come out. Come again. Till your continuity. The same thing. They knock you. Till 4 days. 4 times. That 4 days is every day. I go knock you for night before we sleep. Early morning, what is 4 to 5? I don't wake. I just saw breast. I walk on the breast. With my small cassava, I could still walk on the breast. I'll still carry it, but knocking. I mean, papa, you get there, say, yo. Because when you know, swear till you come to my house if you wear pants. If you wear anything, sleep. Once you sleep, I jump out. Now when I want to give you back, I need to say, I don't press the other top. I see your snap, so can lose guard if you sleep with you. If you suck this on my breast till daybreak, you're not going to see first the sucky breast. You're not going to see man for you. You just sleep song. Your brain, your man. Me now, I'm bad sucker. That woman will brother sleep. If you want to. Always sweat, I told her. Yeah, what my boy now, I swear. Oh my God. Politically. Hey, did or tell me, okay, back one. Here now, I'm going. And I live with picture. Yeah, my way, he's very useless. All those people follow his picture. If my pa, this one follow my pa take pictures here. I just laugh. My pa will also use it. Frankly, I hope it's down. Oh God! If I look this around this way, I go laugh. You know. By the signal, look at your car. No, wait. I know what you mean now. This one, when I go through Facebook page, I can see which don't follow take picture. I can see dignity people, mighty men on battles, great men. With this one follow take picture. So you still book take picture. Now I can't imagine today. When I start here, say, huh? Then I'm going to watch my video. They go feel. What would I come up picture? What would I come up picture there? Frankie not ding. Frankie not ding. What bottle? What does he? Maybe they can so they don't shop for inside though. And I'm free there. I know they are. Very cheap woman. Free there. You know, better. It not go better for something. Jessica good. That person will do me. It can never be better. You know better for that person. I'm going to don't be lying. She follow dignity, will take picture. They from madam, mama, the mama. Iye destiny one of papilla. Iye destiny kia. Iye kia boss. Iye destiny. Iye kia go. Iye destiny. Iye destiny kia. Frank, oh, baby, oh, tiye, Victor, Victor. Iye destiny. Iye destiny that bono je. See your shame and disgrace. After all the buga, iya egbe, ayawe meeting nando, yo, silly, no, yo, see you like, come what's that? Yeah, woman. I'm gonna leave you guys, and I will see you guys later. Don't play. Hey, you boy, yo. Share this video, go give this woman, this dirty agbinwe, iye destoke test keke. Iye destigongo of papilolo. Polo. Alright, guys, let me leave you guys now. Tomorrow is another day. Don't play. Bye bye for the night.